Santa Claus, Christmas tree. Let's go. I got idea. We're gonna have a treasure hunt. Let's have some fun. Hey guys, welcome to my adventure. Today we're gonna find hot trucks. So we're gonna have mystery gift for Christmas. A, L, B, or C. Albert, let's have some fun. Let's go. Where's the Hot Wheels? Where's this? Wait, this way. Wow! Come on! Bud, boom! Go away!
Huh?
Why there's a tree right here? Why there's a tree right here? Where's the cars? Ah! No.
What is that, Albert? Where can they be, Albert? Where's the treasure hunt? Wow! What is that? Number 1. Where can we find the other treasure hunt, Albert?
Ah! Oh my God! Number 2! Number 3! Oh my gosh, I saved! I found 2 of them. I found the number 2nd and the 3rd one. But where's the another one?
Where is it, Albert?
Ah!
Wow!
Huh?
Where can they be, Albert?
Okay, where's more? Ah! Ah!
Number 6!
Okay.
7!
7!
Where is it, Albert? 8!
8! Where?
Let's go. Maybe in the playground?
No, not here.
9!
9!
One more to go, Albert.
Where? Where's more?
Where is it, Albert? 10! You got them all!
I see. Okay. Let's go open it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hummer. This is our truck. How about this one? Oh my God, what's that? Chevrolet! Mazda truck. Land Rover. Oh. Another one. Now the last one. Another one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hot trucks. Big breath. What?
Wow, Albert. What is that?
Oh my God, I saw that one.
Wow, Albert. Is it a Matchbox playset?
Yeah. Time for open it.
Let's keep things moving.
Bring up the porta potty. Check if anyone's inside.
Wow, very nice.
Well, those don't need to park.
Hey, new guy! Bring up the porta potty.
Go slow on the crate.
Okay, let's put it again. Here. Here we go. That's it. It's the crane. You like the crane? You fell down.
Yeah. Bye. Like and subscribe.